Now we go to Logan Canyon, where the road remains closed this evening after an early morning avalanche covered a portion of Highway 89. ABC4's Northern Utah correspondent Cade Gardner live for the mouth of the canyon, getting nice and snowy there. Cade, we're hearing this could have been much worse. Tell us about that.
Yeah, it looks like I've been dusted with powdered sugar, I think, but it just keeps coming, and it's going to make those avalanches even more dangerous in the canyon. This could have been much worse, like you were saying. There was a car that got stuck in the aftermath of the avalanche this morning, but luckily for that driver, a group of construction workers stopped and helped dig them out. The avalanche happening around 6 o'clock this morning at the Dugway in Logan Canyon. Tanner Gittens says he arrived on scene just minutes after it happened and took this video. He and some coworkers were going up to Bear Lake for a job. He says they noticed taillights in the deep snow, a car that was stuck. They took out some shovels and helped dig the car out. He says they worked fast and were able to get the car out in about 10 minutes.
It was actually lucky too, because one of the guys we work with was a little bit late. Otherwise we would have been probably in his position, stuck in it instead of him.
Yeah, good thing that not more people were stuck in that avalanche. Now, Gittens tells me that almost immediately after they were able to get this other car out of the snow, a crew from UDOT showed up and told them that they needed to hurry up, turn around, and get out of the canyon. Now, UDOT's been working all day. I've seen multiple dump trucks just drive through. I don't know what they're carrying. I'm just assuming other debris that's not just snow. You can see the road is obviously still closed. We have a trooper right behind me. Now, UDOT says that their most recent, or I guess their most recent, estimation for reopening this canyon isn't until midnight tonight, but we're going to keep tracking it to make sure that if they do push that back even further, we can let our travelers know here in Northern Utah. Reporting live in Logan, Cade Gardner, back to you.
All right, Cade, can get inside and stay warm and safe. We